Hi. So guys, I was currently doing a live painting session on TikTok and then TikTok banned me. That sucks. Hey, hi. Thanks. Hi, nice. Nice, alam mo ba, naban ako sa TikTok just now. Hi, Wilfred Art. Nice to see you here. I got banned from TikTok Live. It's irritating. Hi, Diche. What type of colors are you using? I'm not sure. Acrylic? Nakita ba na nakaban ako? Nakakairita. Nagulat ako, nakaban ako bigla sa TikTok Live. Nagpe-paint lang ako. Nagpe-paint lang ako. Hi, Octaves. Octaves. Hi. Kapag nandiyan na si Dandaro, yun. Nagulat na ako na wala yung live ko. Tapos, restricted na ako to go live. So, wala eh. Kapag monetize na, talagang i-restrict ka na eh. Hi! Hello! It's okay. Thank you so much. At least, di ba? You still managed to join my live painting session. Oo nga eh. Feeling ko yung grupo talaga yun. Pinagtitripan talaga ako eh. Kakainis. Kakapagod na mag-appeal, ganun. Nagsundo kami kay Bunso, kakauwi lang namin lahat. That's nice. Sana all sinusundo. Cancel yung opening. Hindi, may bagyo din kasi nakakatakot. Alam niyo, hindi pa ako nag-open ng mga messages ko. Hindi pa ako nag-open. Thank you. This language sounds interesting. Yes, this language is called Jejemon. This is very good language. A Jeje. Sorry. Cringe. A Jeje. Hi everyone! Thank you for joining my live. And it's alright if you leave. I'd be okay with it. So, hi guys. Hi. Hope you're enjoying your evening because I'm not. Jejemov. Oh, parang Xenomorph yan eh. No, I was just joking. I was speaking Tagalog. So sorry for that. I was just tripping on you. Oh, thank you, Wilfred. I really appreciate it. Hi guys. Welcome to my live. I'm just joking. Sorry. I really thought you were Filipino, so I pranked on you. I forgot because I was using TikTok earlier, and it's full of Filipinos there, and I forgot that my Instagram account is not just limited to Filipinos. So I'm really sorry about that. I, I you got pranked. So sorry. He knows. He knows. Oh, sorry. What do you mean? He knows. I'm almost done. So, ay, wey, meron. Oh, Malaysian Indian. Oh, God. There you go. So, I think least of you guys know that I was on TikTok live earlier, and then my TikTok got cut off because I was being pranked. I was People were reporting my account because they find it funny to report me for nudity wherein I am fully clothed. Anyway, so I reverted here, and I was actually doing a challenge. I was actually doing a challenge wherein I am going to paint using the reflection. So yes, it's going to be very, very, very frisky because it's going to be very, very frisky because this is a very new challenge for me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my live, and yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it because I don't really speak good English. Yes, the paintings are up for sale. It would be lovely if you guys would support me and buy my paintings. They are really up for sale. Now, if you guys happen to have or know someone who is a buyer, um, oh, that's a you problem because it's a you problem. Anyway, so if you guys happen to know anyone who is an interested buyer of the painting, of my paintings actually, it's currently posted on my accounts. Pag nabisita ka ulit dito sa may Samgyup and Burger Place, nakanto namin, ooh, 69 pesos. Let's go! Okay, so going back, if you guys happen to know anyone who is interested to buy my paintings, it looks like this. They're up for sale. The pricing and quotation is posted on my art account. So it would be so lovely if you guys would share my art. And later on, while this is still drying, I'm going to finish my favorite painting. So yeah, that's it. Wait, let me just find something. Yes, T-Rex. Sumabog yung paint ko. Sumabog yung paint ko. Rar. Hindi ko maaninag. Ex Nino, ex. Aw, thank you. That would be so nice. Thank you. That's so sweet. That's so sweet of you. I really appreciate it if you would refer my art to some buyers from Peru. O, di ba nice? Nung nawalan ako ng trabaho, nagkaroon na ako ng time na mag-paint ng dinosaur, di ba? So, I believe that least of you guys know how much I love dinosaurs. I'm a big fan of dinosaurs. I really love dinosaurs. Creepy. Ang creepy eh. No? Parang baliw. Tatawa ka na lang eh. Sorry, what does NNN? Niga. Oh. What does NNN mean? I really don't know. I've been receiving a lot of messages wherein people comment like I want you to do NNN and I still don't understand what it means. What does NNN? Like, is that, what is it? Like, can someone please orient me? What does it mean? Because frankly, I don't know what it means. It's so nice from Singapore. She is from the Philippines. Oh. No, not November. Okay, thank you for that. Oh my gosh. Bazaar? Anong bazaar? Sorry. Yung sa bazaar, sumali ako. Sa Noel Bazaar. Meron din sa December na event, sa Noel Bazaar din ata. Hindi, sa SM naman daw. I forgot what it's called. Pero in-organize pa lang. Ano yung itatanong sa bazaar? Sorry. Oh, ay hindi ko natanong yun. Yung natanong ko yung sa Noel. Sa Noel ako nasama. Noel Bazaar. Ay, yung 600 per day. Ay, hindi ko natanong. Pero grabe, ang tinding avenue nun, Shopwise. Ang daming doon, collector doon sa Shopwise. Pero mahal ng 600 per day ah. Well, worth it naman siguro. Hindi sa painting. Sorry, ano yun? Hindi ko na-gets. Yung pinuntahan ko dati. Oh! Oo, November siya, November. Hindi ko pa nakikita, pero you guys can check BF High. BF High Community Fair. Kadalasan nagkakaroon sila ng Yes, 600 per day yun. 600 per day. Maganda doon. Maganda magtayo ng mag-business doon sa community fair. Gets. Akala ko sa Shopwise. Sorry. Ano yun sa BF High. Can I tell you a dad joke? It's okay, but don't buy milk. Okay. Malay. Hindi na gets. I'm showing something. Are you blind? Dead by thought, Team Mapaton. Oh, hey. She's not going to hit you. Hala, may nag-aaway na ba? Yo. Bro, it's just a misunderstanding. It's just brush it off. It's just a misunderstanding. Sorry. Elle is my friend. And Elle is my friend, and it was just a joke, so yeah. Chocolate with shots of martini. Hello guys, hello. Welcome to my live. Kamusta? Ang sakit ng likod ko, Lord. Whew. Back pain in my ear, yeah. Hi guys! Hi 11 viewers! Why are you still here? Charot lang, joke lang. Well, frankly, I've been feeling lonely a lot, so thank you for joining the live. I really appreciate it. Ano to? Pinigilan lang ako ni Nabil and Nice. Ayun, chill na lang tayo. Chill na lang. Chill na lang tayo. Okay, you're wag kayong mag-away sa comment section. Wala lang yan. Wag kayong mag-away. It's just a misunderstanding. Wag kayong mag-away. Magbati na kayo. Truce na. Hi, Sir Butch! Hi! Hi, Sir Butch! Kung naalala niyo ako, naalala kaya ako na Sir Butch? Inom mo yung paint, akala mo sabog yun. Aww, hindi ata online si Sir. andyan si Sir Pop Solimba. Andyan si, El, paki-invite nga rin yung crush ko. Charot lang. Si Sir Butch, nag-hi ako. Wala akong hi. Charot lang. Ano ka sa loob? Joke lang. Joke lang. Hello. Hi, everyone. Mukha ba siya, mukha ba siyang husky? Does it look like a husky? Hi. Ay, oo, si Tiny Tanya. Paki-invite. Okay, so I think... Hi, Wilfred Art. Thank you for following me. Thank you for following me, guys. Thank you. Ay, hindi ko nakita. Saan? Yung ano. Hi, Sir Butch. Hi, nice. Thank you po. Joke lang yung Sir Butch. Nag-joke lang ako. Hi. Hello. Ingay ng mga tao upstairs. Ha? Ang weird naman. Anyway, let's continue painting the dog. Sorry, ang bango ng paint. Nakaka-hyper ang paint. Yung amoy ng paint na to. Yee! Honest question, kulay pink pa tenga ng husky? Ako, nakadump account. Wait lang, ano ba yun? Ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari? Ang bilis tong sorry, tumataas yung comments. Ano nangyayari? Yan. Bro, just ignore it. If you don't feel comfortable, it would be better. Just ignore it. Since naka-dump account lang, it's okay. It should be fine. I-ignore mo lang. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Binlock ko na, bro. Ano to? Hi! Husky. Yeah. Minsan mag-worry ka na lang. Walang yelo! Miss mo na naman ako, Hanson. Nag-resign na ako. Hanson, nag-resign na ako, Hanson. Wala na akong trabaho, Hanson. Anong buti naman? Joke lang, gets kita. Anyway, wala na akong irarat sa inyo kasi ako'y nag-resign na. Team unemployed. Ayaw nga pala, no? Pareho na tayo. Iba talaga pag nasa creative field. Pa-refer ka na, mams. Pwede. So, ayan. Kung may alam ko yung trabaho. Nag-resign ako. Sa aking trabaho, ako yung nag-resign. Yes, we need to catch up. Hanson, nasa Pasay ako ngayon. We can catch up ngayon. Kung gusto mo lang. Nasa Pasay ako ngayon. We can catch up. Gusto mo mag-catch up? Tara! Ngayon. Tapusin ko lang to, tapos game na. Jika? Hi! Ito tawag sa akin. Hanson, saglit lang. Tatapusin ko lang yung painting, tapos gala na tayo. Ay, sis. Sorry, nagla-live ako ngayon. Nasa live ako. Tumatawag ka? Sis, naka-live ako ngayon. Tumatawag ka? Ah, sure. Sure. Hello, be? Sige. Naka-live ako. Oo. Gusto mo magpanggap ako? Pwede naman. Oh, shit. Oo. Gusto mo sunduin kita? Pwede naman. Ayun, buti naman. Bakit ano ba hinihintay nyo? Ano? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oo. Mm-mm. Gusto mo sunduin kita? Teka, nasa may Conrad, di ba? Di ba malapit sakit ng Conrad dito. Ano? Oo. Ay. Gets. Malayo ba yung parkingan nyo? Oh, shit. Yun yung problem. Oo. Kung kailangan mo kung sunduin ka, okay lang naman. Sabihan mo lang ako. Hintayin kita, tas pupunta ako dun sa kabarkada ko sa Tondo. Hindi. Yung kabarkada ko si Hanson. Baka magkita kami. Kasi tagal na namin di nagkikita eh. Oh, actually, ano kaya kita iniintay? Oo. Sige. Ayusin natin yan pag uwi mo ha. Sige, sige. Ingat, ingat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What's up? I'm back! Ba't ka magda-drop off sa radar, bro? Ikaw ba'y isang move it? Charot lang. Go, go, go. I'm not going to, Baka umalis na rin ako soon eh. Gagala kami ng aking kabarkada. Bumibili kasi ng yelo sa akin. Ay, really? Patingin nga. Patingin na ka. Please. Patingin naman ng haircut ni Nice. Hanson, tumatawag ako sa'yo. Teka, baka sumagot ka na, hindi ka naririnig eh. Didn't answer, oh. Nakalagay, didn't answer. Tumatawag ako eh. Pabiling yero. Yung pula. Tatapusin ko muna tong painting ah. Hanson. Tsaka hintayin ko muna yung may-ari ng bahay bago ako umalis. Kaso baka tulog ka na. Pero hinihintay ko pa yung may-ari ng bahay eh, bago ako umalis. Kakatawag lang. Tumatawag ako! Ikaw yung tinatawagan ko. Seryoso, ikaw nga yung tinatawagan ko. Baka hindi lang nagre-ring. Ano kaya meron? Sa bagay, luma na kasi ang phone ko. Wala yung puti ko. Rar. Hello. Pabiling yelo. Ayan. Gago. Iniintay ko lang yung ano. Dito na tayo sa ano, sa may Quirino Grandstand. Charot! Ha? Hindi ba? Halfway. Charot lang. Halfway, Quirino Grandstand. Maghahanap ng star. Hindi kasi bored na ako. Nintay ko lang yung may-ari ng bahay, tapos pwede na ako umalis. Nagpaalam naman ako sa kanya. Kikitain ko ako yung kabarkada ko ng college. Eh, hindi naman kasi yung grandstand, yung tapat ng Quirino Grandstand yung pupuntahan. Bro, income din yun. Bakit? Ako panalo. Saan ka nga ba? Sa Pateros ba? Sa Pasay kasi ako eh. Yes po, acrylic lang to. Malapit lang ba? Malapit lang. Tapat ng Star City. Gago men, totoo. Uy, that's nice. Pero hintayin ko lang muna yung may-ari ng bahay. Oo, tapos sasabihan kita. Oo, ganun. Tapos tsaka kita bebentahan ng yero pagdating mo dyan. Yun ang maganda. Gago men. Nova yun eh. Nova nga ba yun? Ano nga ba yun? Nova ba? Ayaw mo nun. Telebabad, di ba? Hi. Kausap kita I'm talking to you via call, pero nasa live ka. Parang video call na ako lang yung nakakita, no? Hi, what's up? Anyway. Which language? Meron ba? Actually, hindi ko nakikita dito yung comments. I don't see the comments actually. And my friend who I'm talking to in the phone can see the comments. So, what language am I currently speaking? Imaw. Ano? Okay, I'm currently speaking Mangmang language. Kago ka ah. Tanda mo, tarantado eh. Gago. Oo. Sige, send mo kay Yuki. Naalala pa ba ako ni Yuki? Bakit? Bakit? Hindi, joke lang. Sige, okay lang. Kaya ano? Send mo na kay ano. Grabe. Sarap sa feeling. So, naka-live na rin naman ako eh. So, Sunny! It's been a long time since you've been asking that question. I don't want to. Really, sometimes the blood of the goat. Joke lang, joke lang. Joke lang. Goat nga eh, anong aso? Ay, oo nga, no? Oh, sino? Hola! What's up? This is cheating. You're fucking deluded, bro. He's my gay best friend. Who likes black cock. Who likes... I'm talking to my gay best friend who likes black cock. Hi, Hanson! Hello, Hanson! Dadami follower, bro. Gay friend eh. Ayan. Patapos na ako sa painting. I'm almost done with my painting. And subscribe. Yes, of course. That's amazing. So guys, I'm done with my painting. Thank you so much for thank you so much for staying tuned to my live. Don't mind what I was saying earlier because I'm currently talking to the phone with my friend. With my gay friend who apparently likes black cocks on goats. So thank you so much guys for attending my live. I'm just going to sign this. Putang ina mo, Hanson. Tarantado ka. Okay, so I'm just going to sign this. I'm just going to sign this artwork. Holy shit, bro. Sige, bye-bye. Ay! Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm just going to sign this artwork. And this is going to be up for sale. Ano to? Nakagay. Thanks. Oh, hi, Pao! Okay, so I'm just going to sign this artwork. Ayoko nga. Ladies and gentlemen, my friend who likes big cocks, black ones. Wrong choice of color. Wait lang. Ayusin natin yung buhok ko. So, thank you so much for staying with me and painting with me live. I'm going to paint the dinosaur off the camera because I don't have battery anymore. Kuya, natanggal! Charot lang. Anyway, this is the finished product. This is the finished product. So it would be so nice if you guys would take a screenshot and then tag me on your stories to promote my artwork. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for joining Paint With Me Live. Feel free to take a screenshot and then post it on your IG story or whatever and then tag me on it. It would help me a lot with the marketing. Thank you so much. Thank you. So this is the finished product. I'm going to paint the dinosaur next. I love dinosaurs. But unfortunately, I have to stop the live because I don't have battery. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you. Goodbye. Good night, everyone.